Hello all traders, today is Monday, 3rd of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price started with a gap after weekend and went down during the Asian session and finally found support and it started to recover, especially during the London session. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price had a pullback around this area of point of control and support, and then buyer came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when we have a pullback on this uptrend wave, we take a long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's happened, and when I came back, the market was in this uptrend wave and this wave of uptrend here on Nasdaq, and S&P 500 was taken with setup T repeatedly, as you see here on Nasdaq and S&P 500. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and as you see here, the performance on one of these accounts, which is positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we have and profit factor cannot be calculated, but we can see that the average winning trades were 381 and the largest winning trade was $590. So this was the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And on the CFD prop firm accounts, I didn't take any trades today because when I came back, market was in this sideways range, highly volatile, and still we are $70 positive, which is the second stage of the challenge as in progress, and will update you later. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.